Hello everyone, welcome to BilisummaaShow with Woyesa. Have you seen this video? The title of the video is New Document, Islamic Oromo Nationalism and the Picture of East Africa. The video is by Research Institute of Ethiopia. I really didn't want to respond to this video. I was motivated to respond to this video by TV Oromia Magala Toronto. In this video, the character assassinated Sajjan Dessa, activist Jara Mohammed, Abdi Pite, and Mohammed Adamo, and also the founders of Oromia Media Network. And also in this video, they claimed that Oromos kill Amara Christians. And also in this video, they claimed that they're concerned about Amara Christians, about East Africa unity, about Ethiopia unity. I was like, what unity? What are you talking about? Let me tell you this, the Amara Christians, Amara Muslims, Oromo Christians are all living together on the ground inside Oromia, over there as we speak today. Again, Amara Christians, Amara Muslims, Oromo Christians are all get along just fine, living together inside Oromia. You name it, anywhere, Hambo, Burayu, Sabata, Kaliti, Asela, Walaga, you name it, Harar, anywhere, Oromos and Amaras are living together just fine, no problem. So for this person to use Amara Christians for their cover to attack the Oromo activists and the founders of Oromia Media Network, I said to them this: shame on you. Really, shame on you. If you really care about Amara Christians, East Africa unity, Africa unity. If you really care about unity, why don't you show your face and express yourself how much you care about East Africa unity, about Amara Christians, Amara unity, Ethiopia unity. If you really care about Amara Christians, why don't you show your face? Tell them on a camera like this one how much you care about Amara Christians, how much you care about Ethiopia unity, about East Africa unity. Thank you so much for watching BilisummaaShow. My name is Oyesa. If you have question, you can email to BilisummaaShow@gmail.com. I'll let you get back to whatever you are doing. I'll let you go enjoy your life, enjoy your freedom. Thank you so much for watching BilisummaaShow. Let me just say this before I'll let you go. If you are the founders of Oromia Media Network, if you are watching this, you have responsibility to contact YouTube, have this video removed. That's one. Two, take legal actions against this group that uploaded this video. Just take them to the court so we don't have to watch videos similar to this one again and again. There are many videos similar to this one. I have seen it. They are all here available at YouTube. If you are Oromia Media Network, again, I'm gonna say it again. If you are the founders of Oromia Media Network, you have responsibility to take legal actions. Just contact YouTube. I guarantee you, 100%, I guarantee you, YouTube knows where this person or group lives that uploaded this video. I'm sure they are more than happy to give you their info, and get that info, take him to the court and get us some justice. I'm sick and tired of this group uploaded videos after videos, and I'm sick and tired of this nonsense accusing Oromos killing Amara Christians. Again, thank you so much. I'll let you go. Thank you so much for watching BilisummaaShow. Take care. Bye-bye.